little piggy went to market.
I don't like this weather. It's very spooky. I don't like lightning and thunder even more. Very spooky. A ghost might come. Who are you? The cloud ghost?
You don't know me, but I know you. And I also know what you did last summer.
You know me? And even what I did last summer?
I know everything about you. Scary, huh?
Huh? The hand and the orange palm?
Now you have to listen to what I say. Otherwise, I will get more scary.
Oh, I see. So how can you become more scary?
I could, blow you up or...
Blow me up, huh? Like this? Bob!
Sorry, I saw you were scared, so I tried to entertain you.
Entertain me, huh?
Sorry, Doobie.
You tried to scare me even more.
What are you scared of? Thunder and lightning. It is scary. Should we play some fun games?
What game?
How about baseball or soccer?
We don't have a ball, Doobop.
Should we read a book then?
We read all the books, and we don't have any new books.
Then what should we do?
Hand? Play with our hands?
Yes.
Play with our hands and sing? What song should we sing?
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡